Good morning student. Today I am going to discuss with you about the map pointing of India, which is very important in your syllabus, class 12 theory syllabus. So first of all we talk about the state having the highest percentage of population below the poverty line. So this state is known as Odisha. So I am going to mark here the state which have highest percentage of population below the poverty line. So this one is our first. I am going to mark here 1, that means Odisha. Now next we talk about the state having highest percentage of population highest literate population. This state is known as highest literacy state. Then we obviously all know this state is known as Kerala. So I am going to mark it here in this manner. So this state is mark here Kerala. Okay. Now I am going to discuss with you the state having highest level of urbanization. So the state is known as Goa. So I am just marking here with some dots. Goa. Now I am going to mark the state which have leading, we can say the leading state in the production of coffee. So the state is known as Karnataka. So I am going to mark here the state as tree shape. Okay, which have highest, or we can say leading state in the production of coffee. Now we talking about some centers, or we can say some region, or we can say some place or center which is known for iron and steel industry. So first of all I am going to mark here in a circle way Bokaro. Then second I am going to mark here as Visakhapatnam. Next I am going to mark here in northern India Salem. So these three centers, or we can say these three places is well known for iron and steel industry. Now we're talking about software technology park. If we talk about in northern India, then it was found in Uttaranchal. Name is Dehradun. So I'm just going to mark here in triangle shape. So it is known as Dehradun. And if we mark same place, that means if we mark here, that means software and technology park in northeastern India, then we found Guwahati. Okay. Now we talk about cotton textile industry. So in cotton textile industry we found Ahmedabad. So I'm going to mark it as in this way. I'm going to write here Ahmedabad. And next is Surat. These two places is known as cotton textile industry. Now we talking about silk industry, which is we found in If we talk about in northern India, then it is here it is located Srinagar. So we mark it as in this manner. This is silk industry known as Srinagar. Now I'm going to mark here the northernmost point of India is Indira Colony. So it was here. Indira Colony. Now I am going to mark here the most oldest oil field of India, and it is known as Digboy. So we mark it here as Digboy. Now next we mark in the map of the world, we mark some regions which is known as major industrial region. So first one is Ahmedabad and Vadodara region. So we mark it as here. Okay, can give this shade. And another was Choto Nagpur. Okay, another first one is Ahmedabad, and another was Choto Nagpur Plateau region. So I'm going to mark here Choto Nagpur Plateau region. That's all for today. Thank you.